Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences. This is the premier institute of India and it runs many job-oriented courses. In this video, I will give you information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. And here school is School of Health System Studies, Mumbai campus, and the name of course is Master of Hospital Administration, MHA. So in this video, information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences Master of Hospital Administration MHA course will be given. Location is Mumbai, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for Tata Institute of Social Sciences various competitive exams, and Tata Institute of Social Sciences will use CUET PG score for 2024-25 admissions for all MA programs, for all postgraduate programs, and students who are preparing for TISS and CUET PG various admissions like Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other courses like B.Ed and other courses. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So students who are preparing for Common University Entrance Test CUET PG entrance exam for various courses like Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, Yoga, B.Ed, Mass Communication and other courses. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching, want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So in this video, information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences Master of Hospital Administration course MHA course will be given. Its location is Mumbai. School is School of Health System Studies. Intake is 50 and admission to TISS MHA course will be on the basis of Common University Entrance Test CUET PG score. And for CUET PG, registration may start in January 2024 and entrance test will be in March 2024 for Common University Entrance Test CUET PG courses. So for Master of Hospital Administration MHA program of Tata Institute of Social Sciences, its location is Mumbai. School is School of Health System Studies. Intake is 50 seats are there. Now its description. So here it is description. The Master of Hospital Administration program MHA Hospital aims to develop a cadre of professional managers for the rapidly growing hospital sector. As hospitals become an increasingly complex technical environment, employing people with widely divergent skills, the need to manage them efficiently without any compromise to the human and caring environment that the sick need brings forth the need for a new type of health professional, the hospital manager. The MHA hospital program prepares students for leadership roles in the hospital sector through training in planning, operational and project management of hospitals, including orientation in the managerial aspects of clinical and support services. The program also imparts training in managing financial, material and information system in hospital settings and builds the perspective, attitude and skills needed for managing people. The MHA hospital degree is designed to be completed in 4 semesters spanning 2 years, but has a provision to complete over a maximum period of 5 years from the date of registration. Students of the MHA hospital program find jobs to manage a variety of specialized services in hospitals, both in the private and government sectors. Their job description includes managing various departments of large hospitals, as well as planning and designing new services and new hospitals. In the past, students have found employment in leading corporate and trust-run hospitals all over the country. Of late, there are also job opportunities arising in hospital, consultancy firms, healthcare, IT industry and the health insurance sector. Distribution of credit hours, year first. So in year first, these courses will be taught, details and credit. So year first foundation course. Next is school based foundation course, management basic courses, hospital administration courses, internship choice based courses, and in year second hospital administration courses, internship, research project, disciplinary elective, total credit 79. Now semester wise courses. In semester 1, so course code and course title and credits are given. So first in semester 1, course title are foundation course, social science, perspective on health, basic economics and health economics, financing and management accounting, organizational behavior, principles of management for hospitals. And in semester 2, research methodology for hospitals, organization and administration of supportive services, organization and administration of clinical and super specialty services, materials and medical technology management, introduction to epidemiology and biostatistics, hospital information services, hospital planning and program management, elective foundation, open elective, first internship. Then in semester 3, human resources management and labor legislation, ethics and equity for hospitals, quality management in hospitals, healthcare services, management analytics and operation research, legal framework for hospitals, marketing management and business development strategies, second internship. And in semester 4, financial management, health insurance and risk management, disciplinary elective any 2, urban health, strategic management, operations management and organizational development, healthcare entrepreneurship and consultancy management, third internship, research project. Note the total number of credit list of CBCS courses and semester wise listing of course is provisional and may undergo some changes. Now the information regarding fee structure for this course: Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Master of Hospital Management, Master of Hospital Administration, course fee, components, Master of Hospital Administration, fees. So here fees are given: semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, semester 4. Fees are divided into tuition fee, examination fee and charges, field education, internship, experiential learning charges, IT charges, library charges, other charges, ID card, convocation and miscellaneous funds, students competency fund, lab studio fund, development fund, students union fund, alumni fund, healthcare fund, deposits, caution deposit refundable at the time of exit from the program on submission of no due certificate. Semester wise course fee. So for first semester 51,500, second 27,500, third 39,000, fourth 27,000. Yearly fees: first year 79,000, second year 66,000. Total course fee is 1,45,000. So total course fee for Tata Institute of Social Sciences Master of Hospital Administration course is 1,45,000 total course fee. Institute reserves the right to revise the fee structure of program if necessary. Expenses related to practicum, study tour, rural field work, urban field work, winter institute if any will have to be met by the student themselves at the time of the activity. No fee concession is available for self-financed programs. Institute reserves the right to revise the fees structure of program if necessary. So in this video I have given information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences, which is a premier institute of India, and it's a job oriented hospital Master of Hospital Administration course. Description is given, and I want to give you information that the students who are preparing for Tata Institute of Social Sciences various Master of Arts programs, various postgraduate programs, and Tata Institute of Social Sciences will use Common University Entrance Test CUT PG score for its various postgraduate programs, and students who are preparing for Common University Entrance Test CUT PG, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, yoga, B.Ed, mass communication and other courses. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So WhatsApp number is for online coaching and important questions PDF notes 9411513974. And students who are preparing for various admissions and jobs, so they can WhatsApp on this number. Kindly like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching this video.